When we are unwell, our instinct is to find quick relief, often through allopathic medicines. But have you ever stopped to think about what they are made of and what are the long-term effects of these treatments? Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran. I am Shruti Samaria, and in today's segment, powered by Still, let's explore the world of Ayurveda and how it can help cure our problems completely. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine, views health as a state of balance between mind, body and spirit. It employs natural remedies, personalized diet and lifestyle modifications to restore harmony and prevent illness. In contrast, allopathy or modern medicines typically treat symptoms using pharmaceutical drugs and surgery. While allopathy excels in acute care and emergencies, Ayurveda focuses on addressing root causes and promoting overall well-being. Ayurveda teaches that good health hinges on a balance of three elemental energies: Vayu, Pitta and Kapha. When these are in harmony, the body stays healthy. When disrupted, illness ensues. Despite a common myth that Ayurveda takes longer than allopathy to heal, it's not about the time, but it depends on how much imbalance the patient is carrying and for how long. For chronic diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes or cholesterol, allopathic medications can bring relief but often come with side effects. So let's understand the holistic solutions that Ayurveda offers to address root causes and promote well-being. Blood pressure. Individuals with hypertension often experience additional health issues such as strokes, kidney problems and sleep disturbances. Yet many have found relief through practices like pranayama, yoga, shirodhara, which have successfully treated millions of patients. For high blood pressure, try peach juice, a mix of orange juice and coconut water in a ratio of 2:1, eating some watermelons with a pinch of coriander and cardamom, moong dal soup with cilantro and turmeric, and honey water with apple cider vinegar may also help. Avoiding salty and fatty food while incorporating herbal teas like punarvana, passion flower and hawthorn berries. Steep half tablespoon of this mixture in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink this tea after lunch and dinner to keep blood pressure levels in check. Diabetes. Despite prolonged use of allopathic medicines, those with diabetes often face complications such as weakened eyesight, neuropathy and compromised immunity. To manage diabetes naturally, consider these remedies. Drink bitter gourd juice daily on empty stomach. Prepare cinnamon tea by boiling water with cinnamon powder. Soak fenugreek seed overnight and drink the water. Mix turmeric and amla powder in water and consume. Eat cereals, leafy greens and protein-rich foods for a balanced diet. Thyroid. While consuming allopathic medications, patients experience weight fluctuations, dizziness and depression. Coriander water and practices like Kapalbhati, pranayama may offer relief from thyroid issues and associated complications. Ayurvedic treatments for thyroid issues include Panchkarma therapies like Svedana, steaming to clear blockages, Udvartana, medicated powder massages to dissolve fat and stimulate glands, Virechana, purgation therapy for cleansing, medicated enemas for lower canal cleansing, and Nasya, nasal instillation of oil or medicated liquid through the nasal route to balance pituitary and thyroid hormones, relieve stress and clear toxins. Liver. Allopathic medicines doesn't provide lasting solutions for conditions like fatty liver, liver cirrhosis and hepatitis A, B, C and D. However, through regular yoga practices like Basti, successfully treated individuals and restored their digestive health. Skin diseases. Skin issues impact individuals of all ages and can lead to discomfort, disfigurement, disability and in severe cases, death. Dermatologist struggles to provide permanent solutions for conditions like leukoderma, eczema and cirrhosis. Treatments often involve steroids and chemicals, exacerbating complications for patients. Yoga, Ayurveda, naturopathy, Panchkarma, Shatkarma, and Panch Mahabhuta therapy purify the body to give people permanent freedom from the skin diseases. The main treatment line for all types of skin disorders mostly include cleansing treatments like Vamana, Virechana, and Rakta Moksham. Apart from this, Shamana Aushadhis are also administered for preventive and curative purposes. These treatments focus on detoxification and restoring overall health. Arthritis. Allopathic treatments for arthritis often lead to bone weaknesses, digestive issues, diabetes and blindness. Integrated yoga practices and Ayurvedic remedies like Vata Mokshan, Rakta Mokshan, acupressure, acupuncture, leech therapy, chiropractic, medicinal wrap, Vetarna Basti and Nutrella nutrition have effectively relieved arthritis, cervical and spondylitis conditions.